children, welcome back to the maths class. In the previous class, we had started our next chapter, parallel lines, and also had discussed some facts about parallel lines. Based on that, let's do the activity questions in your textbook, page number 88. First question. Draw an 8 centimeters long line and divide it in the ratio 2:3. For that, first of all, draw a line AB of length 8 centimeter. In the question, it is given that the 8 centimeter long line is divided in the ratio 2:3. So, AC is equal to 2 plus 3, that is 5 centimeter. Then, draw a line AC of length 5 centimeter. On this line, mark D such that AD is equal to 2 centimeter. So, measure 2 centimeter and mark that point. After that, join BC and draw a line parallel to BC and passing through D, which meets AB at E. So now we had got the required figure with AB 8 cm, AD 2 cm, DC 3 cm and AE is to EB is equal to 2:3. Next, second question. Draw a rectangle of perimeter 15 centimeters and sides in the ratio 3:4. So here we have to draw a rectangle of perimeter 15 centimeters. Okay, that is perimeter is given as 15 centimeter, then length plus breadth of the rectangle is equal to 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So first of all, draw a line of length 7.5 centimeter. Then draw AC. Here it is given that the sides are in the ratio 3:4. That is AC is equal to 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7 centimeters. So the length of the AC is 7 centimeter. So from A, draw AC of length 7 centimeter. Then mark D on this line such that AD is equal to 4 centimeter. After that, draw BC. Then draw a line parallel to BC and passing through D, which meets AB at E. Next, we want to draw a rectangle. Okay, that is, draw rectangle AEGF whose length as AE and its breadth as EB. So the length of AE is 4.5 centimeter and the length of EB, that is 3 centimeter. So take EB as the breadth. For that, measure EB, that is 3 centimeter. That is the breadth of the rectangle. So measure 3 centimeter and draw lines on both the sides. After that, join that two sides together. Now we had got a rectangle AEGF with a length 4.5 centimeter and its breadth 3 centimeter. So here AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter and then AC is equal to 7 centimeter and then AD is equal to 4 centimeter and then DC is equal to 3 centimeter. Third question, draw triangle specified below, each of perimeter 10 centimeter. First part of the question is draw equilateral triangle. Second, sides in the ratio 3:4:5. And then third question, sides in the ratio 2:3:4. First of all, let's draw the equilateral triangle with the given measurements. For that, draw a line AB of length 10 centimeter. After that, from A, draw a line AC of length 9 centimeter. Then divide the line AC into 3 equal parts with 3 centimeters each. Then draw BC. After that, draw lines parallel to BC, which is passing through the points E and D, which meets the line AB at F and G. So in this picture, AF is to FG is to GB is equal to 3:3, which is equal to 1:1:1 ratio. Now we have to draw a equilateral triangle by taking AF as its side. For that, place the compass at the point F and measure more than half of the length of AF and then draw arcs by placing the compass on both the sides of A and F and then join the points together. Now we had got an equilateral triangle AFH. Like this, do the second and third part of this question as an homework activity. Next question. In the picture below, the diagonals of the trapezium ABCD intersect at P. Prove that PA into PD is equal to PB into PC. Here the sides AB and DC of the trapezium ABCD are parallel. Then draw EF parallel to AB and passing through P. Okay, now let's draw a line that is EF which is parallel to AB, that is passing through the point P. Now lines AB, EF and DC are parallel. These lines cut AC and BD in the same ratio. Okay, this line cuts AC and BD in the same ratio. So PA is to PC is equal to PB is to PD. That is PA by PC is equal to PB by PD. From this we get PA into PD is equal to PB into PC by cross multiplication. Hence, we have proved the question. In the next class, we will discuss the next topic, that is triangle division. That's all for today. Thank you.